What's going on YouTube, y'all? It's your boy back at you with another video, and today we are finally putting the Loud inside of Stitch. I was almost about to say Panda because she's sitting right there, but we finally got the catback exhaust for Stitch, and we got to get running because I'm already running behind. Kelsey is waiting on me because the box the exhaust came in could not fit in neither car, so she's gonna come with me to the muffler shop, and the box is gonna be in her truck while I drive the car. So yeah, she hates it when I'm late, but let's go ahead and get into today's video. Like I said, got Stitch right here, and I can't wait for y'all to see what exhaust I get because I know it's gonna be beautiful. Let's go ahead and get a cold start on her. Well, him. Just beautiful. I already like the way this car sounds from factory. Like, believe it or not, this is a good sounding exhaust from factory. Like, they did good with this exhaust from factory. But let's go ahead and get going, or she's gonna cuss me out because I'm running behind. The shop opens up at 8. It's like 7:30. I was supposed to probably been there at her place and my mom's place about 20 minutes ago because the box is at my mom's house. All right, y'all, let's go. All right, and here I am at Kelsey's house, and hey, babe. Don't be mad at me. Like I said, hey, I got a reason for being late. I told you that nosebleed. Don't. I told you those random ass nosebleeds of mine. Yes, y'all, that's why I'm running behind, because I had a nosebleed. So yeah, you can just follow me to my mama's house, and girl, bring your ass here. No. She thinks she ain't gonna give me some loving, y'all. The hell?
Water.
Thank you. What's wrong with her? Thank you. Ain't she considerate?
I do what I can.
She alright.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But yes, I also am excited to get this exhaust installed. What you doing? What you doing?
Sunlight.
The sunlight? Oh yeah, it is looking nice on you. All right, so let's go ahead and go head to my mom's house. So we just gonna go up here and just turn left and just follow me.
I'll follow you.
All right.
A few moments later.
Jesus. All right, y'all, I got the exhaust all loaded up to her car, and if y'all wondering which exhaust I chose, I went with the Pipes Performance exhaust. Excuse me, this is a 50+ pound box, and I had to carry it. What's that? Oh, what's that? Some mail, mama? Okay, I'll come get my mail. All right, y'all, we about to head on to the muffler shop now. As soon as I go get this mail from this woman. Whew. All right, babe, you ready to go? Y'all, and she keeps saying that I'm gonna have to end up following. She believes this Hyundai Tucson is faster than Stitch.
It can get on sport mode.
You in the sport mode. All right, y'all, let's go. Hold on, I feel like messing with her neighbors real quick. All right, yeah, a little stock action. So this is how it sounds stock, remember? But Stitch about to sound way different. Come on, open up. There we go. All right, let's get going. All right, y'all, we are here at Discount Muffler and Brakes. This is actually the same place I bought Panda 2 back in like 2017 to get the same brand pipes exhaust put on her. So now we're getting pipes put on Stitch. So let's go inside and see what they're talking about, because they got to give me a price, because it ain't like how it used to be back then. The prices was cheap, but now let's see what they talking about. All right, y'all, so they got it. They're looking at everything. You know, I think this is the first 24 Mustang, but yeah. I will most definitely say they went up on the price. But, you know, last time I came here, that was 2017. It's 2024 now, and everything is changed and different. But I trust this discount because they be having nothing but great reviews and everything, and I've had work done by them before. All right, so now we gotta go get some money because today they're only taking cash. All right, so we got the money, headed back now. Mostly, so not saying that I don't trust them, but also at the same time, since this is a brand new car, you know, gotta really, you know, probably watch them just a little bit. And yeah. Babe, you think it's gonna sound good?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I'm trusting that this is gonna be a good process, all and all, through and through. What?
We're gonna get piped. It's pipe piping time.
I don't know anymore, y'all. As I was back to what I was saying, now I remembered. They probably should be about already halfway done, because he said it should take no more than an hour, or they at least got a good decent start on it. So yeah, miss, we getting piped. The hell wrong with you?
We're getting pipes.
Y'all see what I got to deal with? All right, so yeah, of course with the pipe spraying, there was a few alignment issues. They say they got it good so far. They're gonna see what the right side looking like, and then if it lines up good, they'll do the right. I'm sorry, if the left side lines up properly, they're gonna do what they gotta do to line up the right side. It's looking good so far, because like I said, with pipes, it's a gamble, but they sound good. So we'll see soon. All right, they almost done too. So yeah, they almost done. All right, so they got it all done. Let's go ahead and crank it up. Woo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Stitch is alive. Now let's hear it. Now, with the 24s, I can do this with the key fob. Yeah. Stitch is alive. Woo. All right, y'all. She's all paid for. Gonna load all this up back into the truck, and yeah. All right, babe. So let's get your honest reaction.
It sounds good.
It does.
Yeah, it does.
Glad you like it. Yeah. And I love it. But all right, y'all. Let's get to driving now. All right, y'all, the exhaust is on, and you already know I gotta go ahead and put it in sport. Nah, we're gonna put this joint in track. Yeah, put it in track. You already know that's gonna really wake it up. All right, let's go. That was amazing. Yes. Oh, it sounds so good. Oh, it sounds so perfect. Kelsey falling behind me. So yeah, we are headed back to the house now to go put the exhaust, well, the OEM exhaust back up in the garage, because I'm gonna keep it. But y'all, this is sounding so good, and we almost to 500 miles. I want to see how it sounds like going from a takeoff. I wish I had someone on the outside to actually record me. 99.9. A little bit more, 500. We have officially broken in the car with 500 miles. Yes. I might have to get some better sound clips because the windows rolling down, that wind was blowing, so you could barely hear anything. So this is it in idle, just cruising, not bothering me at all. Like, not bothering me at all. Like, here comes Kelsey coming up beside me. I'm loving this. Now, I would let down the windows again. Oops. Like I said, I would let down the windows again, but like I said, that wind noise is gonna cancel out every single little thing, like every single little exhaust you can hear. Oh, so she wanna laugh at me.
1 hour later.
All right, what's up, y'all? I'm back out on the road again. Kelsey done went on her separate ways. She got friends coming in from Nashville, and now I'm headed to go meet up with Ashley, my best friend. We about to go have some lunch because we haven't seen each other in months. Damn near, we hardly saw each other last year, but that's because, shoot, we both full-grown working adults. And y'all, still though, I'm loving this exhaust. Like, it's just, and something about the pipes exhaust, it always makes it seem as if your car has a cam in it. When I had Panda, people used to be like, bro, you got a cam and a V6, and I would be like, no, that's just the exhaust. And with the pipes on stitch, it has a slick like a small one. Can somewhat hear it now if you actually listen, but this exhaust makes me wet. Pause. But yeah, I'm also getting Ashley's reaction to the exhaust. It's actually gonna be her overall reaction to seeing the car for the first time, period. Because like I said, we haven't seen each other in so long. Be coming up. Oh, okay, little Nissan trying to buck and swerve. Shoot, let me give y'all a little hit real quick. Come on now, let me over. Bro, there's no reason why this car is doing all this. Am I speeding? Yo, it just popped so damn loud, and this car is not tuned. Seriously, what Ford has done with this car from factory, plus combined with any aftermarket exhaust pipes, y'all have created a monster with this exhaust combined with the 2024 Mustang GT. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to go back and listen to that on camera to see if y'all caught it. Out to eat with the best friend. I haven't seen her about 12 years. Yeah, y'all. So, me here with Ashley, we about to eat and stuff real quick. She finally saw Stitch in person. Oh yeah, that's the name of the car, Stitch.
Why would Stitch? Why you lying to them people? Oh, what it is.
Yeah, but we gon'. Oh, and I can't wait for her to hear how the exhaust sounds. She probably gonna jump. Yeah, but I'm about to spend some time with my best friend, so I'll catch y'all in just a bit. Yeah. So, best friend, what you think of the car?
Get me off the camera.
No, what you think of the car?
Yeah,
Oh, what you think of the car?
it's nice.
You want
It's
it?
not gonna scare me. I don't crank it up. I know you want to.
See. All right.
See, like your other one out. This right here just sounds smooth enough.
Probably because it's not a cold start.
It's got what?
I said probably because it's not cold. That's why. Because a cold start, it would have been way loud.
It's cold out here now, but I don't
And the folks inside probably about it to be like, the hell is that? Hold on, wait, just wait.
It's a good angle. Hold on.
I can do this with the key fob.
Yeah, it's scary. I like it. Who's scared of it?
You would be surprised.
Oh, no.
What's up? Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
I appreciate it, man. Yeah, see?
I said, why don't you open the door thing? And then you're going to be doing it all the time.
Props. Because it's hard.
I like it, though. It's hard. It's hard.
Yeah.
But I like it, though. I like it.
Go ahead and look at the interior.
Now, you going to keep it up?
Huh?
You got your leather cleaner?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like, so I'm always like keep it like professionally detailed and stuff.
Oh.
So now in the summer, like I'll probably do some stuff myself, but like when it comes to like keeping leather clean and all that, I'll get a detailer to do all that.
Okay. I know it's shopping Barley.
Full, actually done seen the car. I was revving it. The guy gave me props on it. He was loving the fact that I could rev it from the key fob. But yeah, I'm gonna head back to the house. I'm about to install this dash cam that Kelsey got me. And then we're probably gonna take the car to these back roads that I found that's by the house. Oh, it's nice, like they are nice. But the biggest part is installing this dash cam, getting it set up, because I wanna be able to like capture footage from tonight without me having to hold the phone and stuff. I'll probably also use my phone mount, but yeah, let's get, whew, I'm sorry, yeah, man, I'm full and stuff. But I'm gonna get back up with y'all at the house. All right, everyone, so here we are at the last part of the video. We're going to some little back roads that I found that's by the house. Hey, I enjoy them. We're gonna cut up through them real quick, showing off this new exhaust even more. Oh, I'm gonna love it. I got the car in track mode. Oh, we about to get to it. So I'm about to flip this around. I got it on my little phone mount. So we're gonna flip it around and I'm gonna show y'all the view from the screen going through these little back roads. All right, shit, let's get into it. Sorry about that, a few technical difficulties. But now let's resume. Bumpy. turn around and get some gas. And this is a shell, so I might need to bust a U-turn real quick. But yeah, when I discovered these back roads, and they was something else. Just busting a quick U-turn. Try to find my way up into this gas station. Fill up Panda real quick. I'm sorry, not Panda. Stitch. Fill up Stitch. That's what I meant. I don't know why I said Panda. I guess I'm just so used to having her for so many years. I meant Stitch. That's what I meant. Shoot, let's see how much it costs to fill up this car. All right, back in the car. Let's go. Look like some apartments they might be building back off in there. I wonder how much they're going to cost. But anywho, man, I hope y'all been liking the video so far. This is still, every day I say this is still a surreal experience for me to be able to have this car plus modify it and just show y'all my life. Just show y'all how much things have been improving. It's a blessing, like everyone. I can say that most genuinely, this is a real deal blessing, and I am forever appreciative. But I do promise for y'all for 2024, show y'all more consistency, more dedication. You can be motivated all day long, but it's about your work ethic and your consistency. That is what really, really matters. Now, which way did I come from? Shoot, I'm trying to remember. I think it was this way. Or was it that way? This way. It was this way. All right. Time for some more fun through the back roads again. Car handles so well. I can only imagine coming through here, and once the fall colors are actually going, oh, it would have been beautiful, but I didn't get Stitch until after the fall colors went away, so yeah. And that is that. I just wanted to show y'all that real quick. shifting, it just do something to me. Well, all right, everyone, that's it for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed that, especially Stitch getting his new exhaust and everything. Y'all, this was, you see the smile that it has on my face, right? So it's just, I love every moment of this. And like I said, it's all through just staying down and then working, being diligent, and just being patient until it's your time. When I first got into the car scene, that was my issue. I wasn't patient, you know. Not saying that I regret the mods that I did to Panda, but I could have waited on a lot of those mods, and just spending money like that, I should have just been saving and stacking and saving and stacking and grinding and etc. etc. Then I could have really have been in the GT back then that I probably wanted, which would have been like an 18 to a 23. But I'm blessed with a goddamn big ass piece of wood in the middle of the street. But I'm blessed with a 2024 now, so I got it. We're going only up from this year. We are all going to prosper. All friends, all roommates, man, everyone, even y'all on YouTube, man, we all going to prosper. Oh, Infinity's acting up in Memphis right now. An Infinity truck just passed me, murdered out, no license plate. Don't fuck with that. Another Infinity behind it, blacked out, bogus paper tag more than likely. Don't fuck with that. I'm good. I'm headed home on that note, y'all. I am headed home. That means they are on the prowl to do some fucked up shit. So all right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Peace. I'll catch you in the next one.